So today we will do our first session in English version. So here we have Ashar and we have Mustafa. So here we can do first this. So this is for wait a minute, what is that? Yeah. This is Ashar Khalid and this is Mustafa Khalid. Good. 1, 2, 3, go. Ashar, start.
I can't hear you.
Okay, start. Hurry up, guys.
I can't hear you.
Ashar, but I can hear you. Okay.
Okay, so I'm
Ashar bhai,
starting.
so you should leave.
No, I
Okay,
can't. I can hear you both.
Assalamualaikum.
Yeah, Mustafa, start. You are Khalil. Respond him. Mustafa, you're not responding him. Mustafa, what happened?
Assalamu alaikum.
You have to say wa alaikum assalam. He has said already this.
Assalamu alaikum.
So Ashar, you can say him wa alaikum assalam. But okay.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته أخي.
अखी नहीं है Ashar.
Okay.
सही से बोले.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
So Mustafa, your turn. Mustafa, your turn. Mustafa.
Assalamu alaikum. Khada.
What is that, Mustafa? Why are you saying this?
Assalamu alaikum Khalad.
Khalad तो नहीं है.
Ma ismuka.
इसमी Khalid.
اسمي محمد أشار.
Nah. So Mustafa.
No, you should say. Ashar bhai, he should say only what is his name, yeah?
But you as Khalil, so why did you say it at Khalid? I just it's your mistake. Okay, let's Abu Bakr and Ashar read.
I said you.
No, let Abu Bakr and Ashar read. After that you will. So
No.
this is Abu Bakr. So this is short form of Abu Bakr, and this is short form of Ashar. So start.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Abu Bakr is Khalid.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Ashar, respond him.
وعليكم السلام.
Ismi Khalid, ma ismuk.
Okay, one rule is here that you have to translate after reading a line. Okay, then
Ismi Abu Bakr, ma ismuk.
translate it.
محمد أشرف.
Translate it, Abu Bakr. That Ismi Khalid. Ismi Abu Bakr. Ma ismuk.
Ismi Abu Bakr. I am Abu Bakr. Ma ismuk. Who are you?
اسمي محمد أشر. I am Muhammad Hashir.
كيف حالك? How are you?
أنا بخير.
What did you say?
I'm fine.
كيف حالك? How are you?
Who are you?
How are you?
Oh, Ashar.
أنا بخير. I am fine. وكيف
بخير
حالك أنت؟
بخير والحمد لله. I am fine. Thank you.
गुड हो गया तो अभी मुस्तफा की बारी है
मुस्तफा और आप करें अभी.
मुस्तफा और अशर ही करेंगे अशर
Why?
सो
Okay, start
मैंने
it.
एक मिनट फर्स्ट अब यहाँ पे है एक मैच ओके मजा इट विल बी फन ओके so I am drawing here a line don't answer this so don't answer it right now so I didn't place it right right place so this is I get to this is a worker and this is for Ashar and this is for Mustafa 1 2 3 start you have to annotate on the screen maybe you can yeah you can hurry up so yeah
Anta. No.
no
Ma
don't
ismuka.
speak don't speak do with
اسمي
education
محمد أشرف.
Ashar I said that
Okay.
you have
I
to
am
match
Mustafa.
the lines. Don't you have to answer this? Yeah, worker. Maybe I don't want
Ashir bhai,
to.
can you give me a example?
Okay,
Understand.
you can use this is for this and this is for this. Okay, maybe you don't need this. So yeah,
Like how?
leave it. So yeah. Okay. So who will want to be a Muhammad in this dialogue?
Me.
So
Mustafa, me, Mustafa.
Mustafa
Me
is Muhammad.
Muhammad. क्योंकि
Ashar,
मेरा नाम क्या है?
Muhammad is already booked. You have to choose Sharif. Okay, Abubakar, do you want or Ashar, do you want?
Yes.
Ashar, you missed. Okay, we can do a thing. Okay, so multiple people. No. So wait a minute. Wait a minute. What's that happened? Yeah, so start. Sure, you will read same, but after this. So 1 2 3 start. Mustafa, start.
Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, Mustafa, don't mention Muhammad. Okay, just say Assalamu alaikum. Good.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Sure, you don't have to answer. Sure. Well, Abu Bakr, you have to answer.
Yes.
Abu Bakr, you have to answer. It's your
Yes.
turn. You have to answer this. Answer this, Abu Bakr. Okay, sure, you can.
Assalamu alaikum ka.
No. وعليكم السلام.
كيف حالك؟ ما اسمك؟
This one.
Assalamu alaikum.
No, this one.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay, وعليكم السلام. Who will this?
Ma ana.
What is this?
Ma in ma
माँ तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे.
min anta. Min
Min
anta.
min अंतर तो सिर्फ नहीं है. देखिए ना यहाँ पे हमारे पास आईना भी है.
Min aina anta.
क्या मतलब होगा?
इसका मतलब this means like anta means क्या था?
You
Min
remind
aina
yeah,
मतलब
you have remind
where
yeah we
where
have to
are
speak English. Yeah,
where are you from?
very good. Abubakar, you have to play your own role. You can't always run from this because running is bad thing, right? Abubakar, now take your turn. Ashar, you can't. Okay, right.
Yes.
You have to read this.
And I'm in Pakistan.
Simple. What does it mean by this?
And I'm in Pakistan. I am from Pakistan.
Very good. So, Mustafa,
He هل أنت باكستاني?
what is mean by this?
This means, are you Pakistani?
Very good. After that, Abubakar, your turn.
Yes. هل أنت नहीं. أنا تركيا. أنا من تركيا. Are you from Turkey? أنا من أنا من تركيا. I am
Abubakar,
from Turkey.
you have to let me go the notation. I have pen. You have to do this one.
نعم أنا باكستاني. وما جنسيتك أنت؟ نعم. Yes, I am from Pakistani. وما جنسيتك أنت? How, from who? Who are you from?
You are speaking. Who are you from? This is not a good sentence. It is not like. Who said this?
Are you from? Are you from?
Yeah, Mustafa.
نعم أنا باكستاني. Yes, I am from Pakistani. وما جنسيتك أنت? From which country you are? أنا تركي. From which country you are? أنا تركي.
Anas.
أنا تركي. أنا من تركي.
Okay, you have to.
Yes.
You have to speak. So, yeah.
Yes, what are you saying?
I'm saying to you that you have to read this.
Ahla wa sahla.
म्यूट क्यों करना चाह रहे हैं हाशिर भाई?
I don't know the meaning of ahla wa sahla.
Ahlan
Me too.
wa sahlan mean by welcome. That
Welcome.
Ashar, I will mute for you forever. Okay? This is a good punishment for you. Okay, so
Okay.
Ashar, did Ashar say that? Okay, so oh, so Ashar will participate in this.
Hoo-hoo.
Ashar, don't speak
Please.
like this.
It's
Very good. So,
where is the game?
yeah, so why you are not doing this?
Leave the meeting.
What?
He joined again.
Okay.
Ashar is Ashar. Abu Bakr has left.
No, they are not leaving. Ashar, I have gone in. Why they all
I see Ashar
leave?
is there and Abu Bakr is
Wow, what's that magic? Okay, who will do this? Abu Bakr or Mustafa?
Mustafa name.
Sorry for that. I already did this.
Mustafa will do.
Mustafa can do. So here we have multiple people, but without a share, we can't do this. So I'm including here. Okay. Who want to be? Who want to be Ahmad and who want to be Badr?
मैं लैपटॉप से join.
Yeah, Abu Bakr, do you want to be Ahmad or do you want to be Badr? Because I'm this.
Ahmad.
Huh? And
I want to
Mustafa?
be.
Okay. So
Mustafa want to Bakr Badr.
yeah, so
I wanna
do you wanna to be a Badr? Good.
yeah.
1, 2, 3, start, Abu Bakr.
Assalamu alaikum.
Mustafa.
وعليكم السلام.
هذا
Good.
أخي هو مدرس.
Okay, translate with after sentence.
هذا أخي هو مدرس.
Oh, you are saying akhi or ukhti? I'm confused.
أخي.
Ukhti. This is
أخي.
not correct. Akhi.
أخي. أخي.
Akhi. Yeah, I thought you are saying ukhti.
My brother is doctor.
Good. After that, my brother is doctor.
أهلا وسهلا. Anything.
I'm
Was
very,
Hashir bhai?
yeah,
Oh my.
I'm so
Ahlan wa
confused.
sahlan.
Yeah, Abu Bakr, do you, I'm so confused. And do you read it doctor or teacher?
Engineer, middle vision teacher.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, correct.
So, ahlan wa sahlan. Good ho gaya. And we have Ahmad again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. Who will be this? Ashar is again. Let me see. Ashar. Oh, Ashar, just move
Ashar
back.
Ashar is not here.
Ahlan wa sahlan.
So,
Oh, why he's leaving the meeting?
I don't know. So, we should end. This is what. So, Allah Hafiz.